Okay, I have a July recap, okay, and then I'm talking about my August forecast. And you know what August is going to be.
A little cooler, hopefully?
Yeah, yeah, right. Let me show you this. Here, let's start with July. Since today's the last day, we've had 10 triple-digit days in the month of July. The average to date is 9. So 9. So we're above average. Now, here are the July numbers, okay? So on the triple-digit side, we're a little bit hotter than normal. On the temp side, the average high, 97.9. That's almost 2.5 degrees hotter than normal. On the average low side, we're at 78.6. That's almost 3 degrees hotter than normal. So the average temperature is 88.3. That's 2.6 degrees warmer than normal for the month of July. That makes this July 2026, the 11th warmest July on records, and records go all the way back to 1898. Haven't had a whole lot of rain. You don't expect a whole lot in July because on average it's the driest month. We've had 1.36, that's below normal by 3/4 of an inch, and it is the 53rd driest July. And again, records go all the way back to 1898 here in Dallas-Fort Worth. Hard to believe. It's more of the same. Drier than normal, so our precip in the month of August, it's one of the driest months too, 2.18. That's it. That's what we average, going all the way back to 1898. So drier than normal, and oh my goodness, who would have guessed? Hotter than normal. So warmer than normal, drier than normal as we head through the month of August, which more often than not, lately, at least the last 15 years or so, it seems like this is the way the month of August shapes up. We do have that rare cold front. We just don't see them very often here in Dallas-Fort Worth and North Texas during the summer months because big ridge of high pressure, that heat dome, is just camped on top of us, and it's just like a big reflector. It just pushes everything away. The force field just keeps everything away. Look at these thunderstorms. They were out west of Wichita Falls, northwest Wichita Falls, running into that sinking air, running into that cap, shutting everything down, that cap, that warm layer of air aloft that shuts down any thunderstorm development. Here comes the cold front, 2 o'clock in the morning. It'll be on top of DFW. By sunrise, it should be just to the south of the Metroplex. Little bit less humid tomorrow morning, maybe a degree or two cooler tomorrow morning, but I don't have any rain. Take a look at the rain. Here's noon tomorrow. A little bit of rain down around Waco. Look at that, down in parts of central Texas. Even that latest model run, that's not bringing a lot of rain there, but maybe a little bit early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, it's just going to be another warm night tonight. We'll drop to 80. I'm not going to rule out a sprinkle or a shower overnight. A little breezy at times as the cold front moves through. Tomorrow we'll have a breeze out of the north. How about that for a change? For the 1st of August, a north breeze, drier air, a great start. We'll hit 98 tomorrow. That's still hotter than normal by a degree. Temp on Sunday is right at normal when we hit 97. And then look at Monday through Friday. Would you look at it? And then look at next Saturday through the following Thursday. Right through the middle of August, triple digits. They return Monday, August 3rd, and they stay with us through the middle of the month. And if my 30-day August forecast is correct, and you know it will be, Joe, it's going to be hot for, oh, come on, you've got a pullover on, you're zipped up to the top. Shame on you, Joe. I know it's like 90 degrees out there right now in Ventura.